Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Google Form test with a View Score feature. First, open a new Google Form and give it a clear title. Next, click on the Settings tab at the top of your form. Here, you will find the option to make this a quiz. Toggle this setting on. You can also choose to collect email addresses and manage other general quiz preferences right here. Now let's add your questions. You can choose from several types, including multiple choice, checkboxes, or short answer. For each question, click on Answer Key to select the correct response. Then, assign a point value, for example, 5 points for a multiple choice question. You can also add optional feedback for correct and incorrect answers. After setting your answer keys, you can customize feedback. For each question, add specific messages for correct and incorrect responses. In the quiz settings, decide when to release scores. You can choose immediately after each submission or later after manual review. You also have options to show missed questions, correct answers, and point values to respondents. Once your quiz is ready, click Send to share it. You can send it via email, generate a shareable link, or embed it on a website. After submissions, go to the Responses tab to view a summary of all answers. You can also review individual responses and export all data to a Google Sheet for more in-depth analysis and record keeping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.